Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I'm going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum on my iPhone from the ocean, which is beautiful. And you can watch me trade. If you've been skeptical, you can watch my videos. 4 years I've been making these videos every day. It's already been 4-year anniversary. And I'm going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you can see my trade, $640,000 account, and you can see me make my mistakes, my trades, and my lessons over 24 years of trading, and you can learn from them if you want. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and yesterday, MCRT this morning, oh no, it's already reset. Okay, it's already reset. Bitcoin 67,000. It reset the 24-hour mark. You can see Bitcoin on the daily is following this yellow trend line up, and fifth wave is a resistance that's created by the 2021 bull market high. You see that white line creates that resistance at the top. Each candle here represents 1 day in the market. So you're watching Bitcoin go from 69,000 down to 16,000 here. This was the all-time high in 2021 when I called the day of the top. 69,000 all the way to 21,000. We were buying heavy and going super long here. 20 Bitcoin longs and big heavy spot positions. And then we came out, we did this Elliott wave count, and now we're in the 4th to 5th wave, and I think the target is 88K. Beautiful, anyone who's been following the journey with me. We bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, Uniswap, Tesla, Google, Meta, all down this bear market bottom. So we made massive gains if you're one of the gurus, or if you've been following me for a while. This white line is resistance, and Bitcoin's trying to fight this resistance. It's holding on though. It hasn't dropped off much, which is amazing. While the stochastic is almost fully reset with a little bit of a drop. On the weekly though, more to come down. On the monthly, much more possibility to come down, but volume is still strong. But this month will be less than last month by quite a lot, because we have 1 day left of volume and it's quite weak, which is not a good sign. Crypto Guru Bot still firing. Wait, let's load it up. On the weekly, still a blue buy. Hasn't fired a red sell. It fired blue buy back here in the bottom of the bear market in 2023, and it's still a blue buy now, which the Guru Bot called it beautifully to start buying. On the daily, let's zoom in. Big resistance, trying to break through here, but it is kind of bull flagging. There is a small trend line that's forming here as well. We've got this kind of trend line forming here, and Bitcoin is sitting on this trend line right now. You see that? Sitting on this trend line that it's climbing since the beginning of May. Now, does it bounce off here, which is coming to a point, you can see, but this pattern now makes a pattern. Actually, it makes a, what does it make? It makes a pattern. I think it's a rising wedge. Yep, rising wedge, everyone. Bearish pattern. Rising wedges are bearish patterns. They play out like this. Build pressure, build pressure. So it could get another bounce to 73 and then fall back down to the base. Target would be 59K. And those are the two trades I have on Bitcoin. The same as yesterday. They haven't activated yet because I want to get low entry trades to catch a big bounce. Otherwise, it's too dangerous to go long. Like I warned a few days ago to go long here, which was a very smart decision if you didn't go long there, because you would have already most likely been liquidated, because it's still a $4,000 drop. So liquidation prices or stop losses to take a $4,000 hit is quite a big one. These are the two trades I have of Bitcoin. One to open at 62,900 because big supports there. I do expect to bounce. And the main trade to open at 59K, which will be the finalization of this rising wedge. 59K, or the yellow trend line would be another great buy, which is also around 58K. So I've got trade here. It opens at 62,900, stop loss 62,500, take profit 88K, risk towards 67 times. Every dollar risked, I make $67 gain, risking $382 to make 25,000 with no leverage, 10x leverage, 250,000. And this trade is almost the same, but it opens at 59K. And I've got these two trades set up over on Bybit. If you want to trade on Bybit like you're seeing me do, this account $639,431, which is up from $150,000 when I was trading at mid last year. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, check out my friend came to visit me. Hello. Good job. Good job swimming. Okay, let's jump back. if you want to trade like, how am I going to hold the dog and make a video? Okay, let's try. If you want to trade like you see me do under the video, the exchanges, Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements if you use that link. And BingX and Binance is also good. Crypto Mastercourse to learn all this and trade and get the bots. 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading. The links are underneath. And over on Bybit, I've got my trade set up. I've got buys on Bitcoin 3. I've got Bitcoin buy at 63,000 for 3 Bitcoin. I've got a 10 Bitcoin buy at 60,250, and I've got 1 million Doge buy at 11 cents. 639,000 in this account. Up $3,000 from yesterday. I've got 218 cash plus another 100k, and these other you can see in the funding, etc. You've got different wallets in Bybit. You've got funding, spot, derivatives. Total, I've got around 300k cash. MCRT 91,000. I've been buying it, but you have to do your own due diligence and consult your own brokers. I was a seed investor in this company, up 2.5%. Yesterday was up a lot as well, but I've been accumulating a lot of it the last few weeks. Bitcoin 67k, Uniswap 46k, 46,900, down 3%. World 39k, up 4%. Pocket 38k, down 2%, and Doge 35k, down 2%. And I'm going to hold these positions as they are, but just be warned, if Bitcoin drops, there will be pain in the altcoins. And you can join us in the Telegram. There's around 116 of you online right now, 3,400 of you in the chat, and people just sharing different discussions, talking about Notcoin. Jasper sharing charts on the Dow Jones, which is pulling back. Big support on the Dow Jones is at 37,000. Thank you for sharing that chart, Jasper. And people just sharing. There's 116 of you online in crypto. Many of you have been here for a few years, so you can learn a lot from each other in there, which will be beautiful. Let's check out, I want to check out Doge. Let's check out Doge and Uni because I've got bigger positions there. Uni cup and handle forming. A big one. Target of this cup and handle on Uni, if it plays out. Oh shit. Dog coming again. Do another lap, princess. Okay. Cup and handle here would be $15 target on this cup and handle. 13 is a very big resistance, so that would be a take profit area. But $15 on this cup and handle, and it looks like it's making a huge pattern. Look at this. It looks like it's making inverse head and shoulders as well as a cup and handle. So $17 is going to be the target, which will be beautiful on Uni. That's my updates. I'll do more next time. I'll do in the next video. I'll try and do another video in 12 hours. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. And I'll try and you can watch my videos. I'll make them every day, and you can learn from me what I'm doing. And again, in my wallet right now, this is what I'm holding, 639, 50% cash, 50% these other positions. But again, my company's seed invested in a lot of these, so you have to do your own due diligence. And again, all the links are underneath the video. And you can also see some comments from some of my students. My portfolio hit over $1 million today because of James and his experience. My gains have been amazing listening to your channel, up $8,000 in less than a month. Thank you. You're welcome. Bought your course a few months ago, took some profits and bought a Harley David Road King. I bought your course. I just want to say you're a genius. The course is super worth and inexpensive compared to the knowledge you're sharing, where I made all the mistakes in the past. Your technical analysis is amazing and fun. Thank you, Ping. My 2K is now 8K. I even invited my friend to take your course. Thank you, June. And you can just see my process of buying $2 million house from your videos, buying a villa in Punta Cana, made $500,000 profit. I'm going to continue promoting your channel to everyone. You truly have people's best interests at heart, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. Thank you very much, Elizabeth. That's my updates on the market, everyone. I'll try and do another video in 12 hours. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. And if you think you can't do this, again, I'm doing it on my iPhone from the ocean. I just traded. I just made this video. I showed you the technical analysis. And that account is up from 150,000 to now 650. Plus, I took out 100 to seed invest. So it's actually 750 from 150 trading from my phone. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.